This is that truck. This is it. This is the truck that ran off the road on I93 last year. Or was it earlier this year? Holy crap. This is definitely the truck. This International is the one from an earlier video I posted where a truck ran off the road on I93 and tore itself up on gigantic chunks of gravel. On basically just large gravel stones that were placed in the middle of the road. Holy cow. In the median, I mean, not in the middle of the road, in the median. This truck just tore itself to pieces when it hit those rocks. It's amazing nobody died.